describing the experience of beachside paddleboarding.
Follow Jimmy and Olivia as they embark on a paddleboarding adventure at the beach. Learn about equipment, basic techniques, safety precautions, and the joys of experiencing the coastline from a new perspective. Perfect for beginners interested in trying this popular water sport.
Hey Olivia, want to try paddleboarding at the beach today? The weather looks perfect for it.
Sure, Jimmy. I have never done it before. Is it hard to do?
Not really. It is pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Let us go rent some boards and give it a try.
Okay, sounds fun. Do we need to wear anything special?
Just your swimsuit and maybe a shirt to protect from the sun. Oh, and do not forget sunscreen.
Got it. I'm excited to try something new. How do we start?
First, we need to carry the boards to the water. They are big, but not too heavy.
Wow, these boards are longer than I thought. Okay, we are at the water's edge. Now what?
Now we put the boards in the shallow water and climb on. Try to kneel on it first.
This feels wobbly. I hope I do not fall off right away.
Do not worry. You are doing great. When you feel ready, slowly stand up and use the paddle.
I did it. I am standing. This view of the beach is amazing from out here.
It sure is. Look at how clear the water is. Can you see any fish?
Yes, I can see small fish swimming under my board. This is so cool.
And listen to the sound of the waves. It is so peaceful out here.
You are right. I feel so calm. Oh, a seagull just flew right over us.
That happens a lot. Sometimes you can see dolphins too, if you are lucky.
Really? I will keep an eye out. Oops, I almost lost my balance there.
It happens. Just bend your knees a little. It helps with balance.
Thanks. That does feel more stable. How far out can we go?
We should stay close to shore for safety, but we can paddle along the beach if you want.
Let us do that. I want to see more of the coastline.
Okay, just remember to watch out for waves. They can push you if you are not careful.
Got it. Oh, I love how the sun feels on my skin out here.
Me too. It is a great way to enjoy the beach from a different perspective.
I agree. This is so much fun. I'm glad we decided to try this today.
I knew you would like it. It is a great workout too. Do your arms feel tired yet?
A little bit, but in a good way. I think I could do this for hours.
That is the spirit. Want to race back to where we started?
You are on. Last one there buys ice cream after.
Deal. Ready, set, go.